Early breeze, the sky.
R&B Jasper Suazo.
Alam Junior po, with drinks and sides na po ba?
With iced tea po, please. Thank you.
Saka ka lang po, dito na lang po sa last window ko na lang po i-take order.
Ah, sige, doon na lang.
Thank you po.
Sure. Pinaalis ako. Pinaalis ako. Sama.
Mahina signal.
Pinalis siya!
Mahina ang signal nila.
Pinalis!
Yung pineapple juice ba at regular royal?
Oo.
May burger steak po kayo orders?
Yes, saka isang burger steak. Walang drinks yung burger steak.
Ha? One piece for 2 piece.
One piece lang tong burger steak tapos walang drinks.
One piece burger.
Mami, water din pala dito, Stephen. What if dito na lang tayo, oh? Para dito pwesto natin. No?
Sunlight hits the moment's right. Brand new day, my future's bright. No dark corners, no regrets. Just feeling fresh with no resets. Beat so strong, I ride the wave. Smiling wide, I feel so brave. No need to stop, no need to hide. Just rolling smooth on morning tide. Let the rhythm lift me up. Let the sunrise fill my cup. No holding back, no steps behind. Just moving with a fearless mind. Morning high, take my time. Every breath feels so divine. No slowing down. No.
Hi guys, nandito kami sa Sogo. Okada pala to. Nandito kami sa Mariposa Inn.
Early breeze, the sky so wide. Let the rhythm set my stride. Coffee sipping, jazz plays low. No need to rush, just let it flow. Sunlight paints the streets so soft. Laughter lifts, no moments lost. No clock to chase, no past to mend. Just riding where the light extends. Let the golden feeling rise. No need to question, no need to try. No second thoughts, no rules to play. Just floating where the morning stays. Keep it golden, take it slow. Let the morning set the tone. No need to run, no ties to break. Just moving where my heart creates. Keep it golden, sky so wide. Every step feels like a ride. No looking back, no plans to make. Just feeling.
Good morning, y'all! Ganon. Hello, good morning. We're going to Buffet 101 after dito sa Okada. Look. Lights. Na para bang mga hindi nag-inom kanina. Ay, hello po! Hello sa'yo
Hello sa'yo, ha? Hello sa'yo.
Tinan mo, kakagising niya lang pero tinan mo, buong buo na. Ganyan siya.
Because of?
Lovely glow.
Yes! Ay, isa naman.
Si Marcia. Marcia! At saka ito si Babe. Babe, morning. Hello, Bob. Ay. Ay? Bye. See ya.
Diba? Dito tayo. Diba? Okay lang ba?
Early breeze, the sky so wide. Let the rhythm set my stride. Coffee sipping, jazz plays low. No need to rush, just let it flow. Sunlight paints the streets so soft. Laughter lifts, no moments lost. No clock.
Hello guys. Dito lang kami sa may tapat ng Dali. I mean, nasa Dali nga. Kasi may bibili lang si DJ at then diretso na kami sa Lovely's Entertainment Club. So doon ako mag-aayos and yun. It's a Thursday night. Every Thursday and Thursday. Every Thursday and Saturday ako doon sa Lovely. So sana makapunta po kayo.
Ito na, Yasser.
So dito kami sa event. Magpapakantot kami. Ay, ganda ni Joda.
Pakarat sa mga staff.
Ito na yung nakamo.
Shut sound.
Ang ganda ng venue. Grabe. Shala. Ay! May nakawalang isda sa aquarium. Guys, maya mag-aayos na rin ako. Parang okay naman na to. Ay!
Sunlight hits, the moment's right. Brand new day, my future's bright. No dark corners, no regrets. Just feeling fresh with no resets. Beat so strong, I ride the wave. Smiling wide, I feel so brave. No need to stop, no need to hide. Just rolling smooth on morning tide. Let the rhythm lift me up. Let the sunrise fill my cup. No holding back, no steps behind, just moving with a fearless mind. Morning high, take my time. Every breath feels so.
Ay, buo ka na din. Ikaw ba yung kasama ko kanina?
Hindi.
Ayun na. Ganda, no? Chill siya dun, no? Chill siya dun, no? Chill ka dyan, te. Te. Ay. Ganda mo naman. Tesla. Ganda ng Tesla.
People, ladies and gentlemen, sit back, enjoy, and witness a grand opening production created especially for this unforgettable celebration. This is the 34 years of Royal Cable opening production.
So, pauwi na kami. Nintay lang namin yung Grab. And then, pahinga na. Baka hindi ako mag-nomo kasi... Hi! So, yeah. Chinecheck ko yung back cam kasi parang mas okay mag-vlog talaga pag yung front, I mean, yung main camera yung gamit. So, sinasanay ko na siya. Kasi ang hirap, diba? Hindi ko naman nakikita. Or mas okay pag ganito. Sa tingin mo, naririnig ba ako? Actually, gusto ko na talaga bumili ng camera for vlogging. Kasi namamahalan ako sa DJI. Di ba?
Hello po.
Ayan na, Vios na blue. Yes, yeah. Grab kami. Social climb. Jasper.
Jasper po.